The first thing you're going to do is change both of the numbers to the same base, and we've done that here. We've got 6 cubed instead of 216 and 6 squared instead of 36. And you still put the negative n there. So this is going to be, when I multiply negative n times 3, it's going to be 6 to the negative 3n equals 6 to the 2. This is Miss Medlin's rule. I haven't patented it, so we want to go sell it tonight. If 6 to this mess equals 6 to that mess, what do you know about the messes? If 6 to this mess equals 6 to that mess, the two messes equal each other. Yeah. So you can move in for the kill and say that negative 3n equals 2. And now this is basic algebra 1. So n equals negative 2/3. Okay? So now on your calculators, we can check this. You can check all your work.
Do we have to show our work for these? No?
Yes. So you're going to do number 9. Number 9 is 2 to the 1 minus 2n equals 1. Let's talk about this a little. When you put a 0 as an exponent on the 2, you get it, it's equal to 1. 9 to the 0 is 1. 4,922 to the 0 is 1. So we know that 1 minus 2n has to equal 0. And then we know that 1 equals 2n. And we divide by 2, so n equals 1/2. So when you look here, the opportunity is that both of these can turn to base 4. Okay? They also can turn to base 2, but that's too much. That's just too much. So we can do here 1 over 4 squared to the negative 2m minus 1 equals 4 cubed times negative 2m. Everybody see what I did? You have a guy downstairs, and you need to move him upstairs.
Multiply it by that number.
What do you do to the exponent? When you move a guy from downstairs to upstairs, you change its sign. So this is going to be 4 to the negative 2 times negative 2m minus 1. Let the math take you there. Don't try to skip steps. Equals 4 to the negative 6m. Everybody got me? Now it's going to be 4 to the 4m plus 2 equals 4 to the negative 6m. So now we have the base. They're both upstairs. They're both equal to each other. So we move in for the kill and we say that 4m plus 2 equals negative 6m. So 10m equals negative 2 when we divide by 10. And if you have to take extra steps, that's fine with me. M equals negative 1/5.